let's learn a little bit more about Book Creator. To get started, you will head to bookcreator.com. At the top, if you've never signed in before, click on the yellow button, Create a Free Account. Here you will choose to sign in with Google. Make sure it does say Teacher. Be sure to choose your correct account. And now you're in. The way this website works is you are able to create a library, which is basically a collection of books. When you create a library, you are essentially creating a space for students to work in. You can name it whatever you'd like. Once you name your library, you can toggle on or off some of the options that students have while creating in Book Creator. Once you've made those decisions, click Create Your Library. In order to invite students to join your library, up here you'll click on Invite Code. This is a code that you could then copy and paste somewhere, and then they would go to bookcreator.com and sign in as a student. A second way that you can add students to a library, this is especially great for our younger teachers. You can create student logins if you would like to be able to have students sign in with a QR code instead of using their Google account. So especially those of you working on iPads, this could be a good idea. Back here at the home page, I do want to draw your attention to the Discover page. This is where you're going to find student templates and examples by grade. Student templates are there for you to use to assign to students to help them get started on a project or to help them learn how to use Book Creator. The link that we're sharing is to this one, this Teacher First Lesson book. When you open it, it does have the different grade bands here. When you click there, it'll jump to the correct page. Here's where you can click on the template to jump you right to that book that you can then read and remix if you'd like. This is the link to the lesson plan. It will have all of the necessary resources and background knowledge to help you get started using this book. In the template books, you could simply read this one together, but these really are meant to be used by students. So in order to assign this to your students, you would click Remix, and then you're going to select which library to send this book to, and then say Copy to Library. Now in my libraries list, if I open up that Period 4 library, I can see that this book is here waiting for me. I can then choose to assign this book to my students as an assignment, and it'll make a copy of this book for each student. So they'll just click Share, and then you'll click Assign Book, and you'll choose everybody in the library, or you could select particular students. Then say Start Assignment. When students log in, they'll see this book waiting for them. I hope this helps. Have so much fun using Book Creator.